Hi there, my name is Dr. Nathan Bryan. I'm really excited to announce that at the American Academy of Anti-Aging Medicine Fall Congress in Las Vegas in December, we'll be hosting a nitric oxide pre-conference workshop. This will be an 8-hour, all-day workshop focused strictly on nitric oxide. We've learned over the past 20 years there's nothing more transformational to your patients and your patient practice than restoring nitric oxide. So we'll have an 8-hour pre-conference. It's a continuing medical education. You'll get CME credits, and we've invited the world's experts. So I'll open up and just give you kind of the history of nitric oxide, its discovery. We've got Dr. Mark Houston, world-renowned cardiologist and vascular biologist, that'll tell you the importance of nitric oxide in endothelial function and inflammation. We've got Felice Gersh, a world-renowned OB-GYN and female hormone specialist, that'll talk about the role of nitric oxide in hormone regulation and the cardioprotective benefits of hormones. Got Dr. Greg Chernoff, a triple board certified plastic surgeon that'll inform you and educate you on nitric oxide and aesthetics for wound healing, for fine lines and wrinkles, and how you can implement this into an aesthetic practice. We've got Ernst Schwartz, again, world-renowned cardiologist and transplantation surgeon, specialist in erectile dysfunction, that'll talk about nitric oxide, endothelial function, and sexual function in both men and women. And then very excited to have Dr. Reed Winnett, a dentist, who'll explain to you the oral systemic link, how oral health is connected to systemic health, and how nitric oxide is the signaling molecule and the mediator that describes the oral systemic link. And then I'll wrap up the 8-hour conference by teaching you kind of practical approaches, therapeutics that you can implement into your practice to not only recognize nitric oxide deficiency in your patients, but to improve nitric oxide restoration through some safe and clinically proven nitric oxide-based therapies. So again, I'm really excited. We did this in 2017 and had great excitement, great enthusiasm. So I'm very proud that A4M has agreed to bring this back. We've had a lot of people that weren't able to make it to the 2017 pre-con, that now the opportunity is there. So I encourage you to sign up. There will be limitations to this, so get signed up and come and learn how to implement nitric oxide in your practice and really see the transformation you'll see in your patients getting better, patient outcomes in all aspects of medicine. So again, I want to thank A4M, thank the experts that are going to be there, and we're really excited, and we hope you join us. So thanks very much.